Hey, what's up? I'm Al Cox. I make games, play games, and everything in between. And today, we're gonna make levels. Alright, there's a lot of things I want to do to finish this game. I need to finish this game. I've been saying that forever. One little piece of that is I need more levels. I actually really enjoy making levels. I just try to be creative, try to do something that's cool and looks fun, has almost like a design element. That's one of the things I really enjoy about this particular game that I'm working on is the exciting process of just making a cool level, trying to make something fun. And I'm spending way too much time on it, so I thought I'd just go ahead and spend a lot of time on it, get to work, and see what happens. Okay, that was probably more than 100 hours. I don't even know. So I got a lot done. I made a lot more levels. I've organized a bunch of things. So let's just take a step back. So I've gone here and I have unlocks for each of the levels. Right now I have about 42 levels. I would love to have more levels, but making levels takes a lot of time, and my goal is to just finish this game quickly. Here I have some harder levels, which I will probably add. These are just like really difficult, and my overall game, I want it to be kind of easy. I think I can actually beat my whole game if I just set. I've got all the levels right now organized. I have about maybe 40 to 50 levels that I think I can be happy with. I still want to make very easy levels to get the player to both understand the game and just to have more game to play. I also think I'll take all the different scenes in each world and add it to a random world so that you can also play random world and levels, giving the player an option. I also went in and added the start menu to all be like this. These white balls you can actually use in the game and move them up if you're fast enough. And the way the levels are spelled out just is kind of fun for the player, I believe. And let me show you at least one of these cool levels that I made. So again, very simple. Now, the progress bar is complete. However, I currently have an iPhone X, a recent iPhone, and the progress bar doesn't look quite right, so I will have to probably play with that. Hopefully I can fix that later. My goal now is to just make more levels and figure out, according to my Trello boards, the things I need to do to just get this game finished so I can release it. Because I've just been working on this game for way too long. To finish a game, Be nice so I could start on another game or something, but keep moving forward because making games is a lot of work and I'm just trying to document this process so that I can become better at it and make games faster. And that's the goal. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.